everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to use Do Not Disturb in Control Center on your iPhone. If you want to add Do Not feature or Do Not Disturb feature on your Control Center, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, open your settings and scroll down until you find out Control Center. Then go through it. Now scroll down and find out the do not disturb option and then hit on the plus. Once you do that, open your control center from the top and then there you will see focus option. Simply keep pressing it and do not disturb will be pop out. Simply press on the do not disturb and it is turned on. So in this way you can easily use do not disturb in your control center. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.